હેલો, ગુડ ઇવનિંગ એવરીવન. મારું નામ મિહિર વૈષ્ણવ છે અને આઈ એમ વેરી મચ થેન્કફુલ ટુ રાજુ મામા ફોર એડિંગ મી ઇન ટુ ધ નાગર કનેક્ટ. નાગર મંડળ, વડનગરા નાગર મંડળ, મુંબઈ does not need any introduction. And well, I from my childhood have been associated with Vadnagara Nagar Mandal, Mumbai. When I was spending my holidays in my Mosal, Dr. Nilkant Bhai Dholakia, who is my Nanaji, was very active in the Mandal, and then he became trustee also. So the working of the Mandal was in my blood from my childhood. I saw the stalwarts like Dolarai Bhuj, Dolarai Bhagat, Dinesh Bhai Bhuj, Nalin Bhai Mankad, Vishakha Ben Pota, who is my Bhabhi also, Priyavardhan Bhai Desai, how can we miss him, and Janardhan Bhai Vaishnav. So these are all stalwarts who took pain in real sense, because in those days there was no net, there was no mobile, there was no WhatsApp. It was only a postcard as a means of communication, and they used to go door to door for canvassing and propagating the Mandal's activity, generate funds from the Mandal, and also help medically and financially those who were in need. With blessings of Priyavardhan Bhai Desai and my Nanaji Nilkant Bhai Dholakia, I also got an opportunity to serve in the committee for many years, and went ahead to become a convener for the sports committee also for 2 years, and did some valuable contribution. Well, this was the introduction. Cutting it short, coming to the point of today's webinar, discussions for hacking. It is very well organized by the Nagar Mandal, as each and every individual must know the do's and don'ts of the technology, or the advantage and the disadvantages. I would not call as the disadvantages, but the disadvantage in a way where people take miss opportunity by hacking the sites and doing fraudulent activities. I, being in the financial world, we know that it is very common to lure a customer by saying that you've got so and so offer and your OTP will come, and please give us the OTP, and your tour to Singapore or tour to Malaysia can be confirmed. People get attracted and people get drawn with this false so-called attractions, so-called trips, and they do share OTP, and the next moment they find that the amounts are swept out from their account. Why trips? A small example of you getting a call saying that your ATM chip is not working. There's a response which has come from the bank, and you need to provide your identification so that your SIM can be set right. Now, many as a layman do not know that there is nothing to do to repair a SIM. I mean, repair the debit card, a magnetic strip over a phone. It doesn't happen. It doesn't happen that way. But people get lured, and people get trapped into this false, informations. And when they say that one OTP will come, and you just give us so that we can set right your magnetic strip, and your ATM card will start working. And then God only can save, because our hard-earned money gets stolen in fraction of seconds. So it is very important to know how the hacking is done, how we should avoid, what precautions we should take. I once again thank the entire managing committee for creating this platform, and in general and especially Neha Ben, Nirav Bhai Buch, and Raju Mama, Raju Bhai Vatsraj, for taking so pain and getting us through and connecting us across the Indian map. We on all those on the group, some are staying in the east, some are staying in the west, some are staying in the north. I'm in Jaipur, so I would not have got an opportunity otherwise if this Nagar Connect was not there. Thank you very much.